right, so quick update here. We've been working away at trim. So you'll notice all the windows now are going to be trimmed. We got all of our base trim done upstairs. The painter has been in and he's been painting. He's got all the trim painted and now he's going through and he's starting to paint the walls. I'm going to flip you around and show you the bedroom. So here's the current state of the bedroom. We got trim done. We got paint on all the trim. Wall paint is coming. And then check this out. We've got tile. So I've had my tile contractor in here. He's laid the tile. Tomorrow he's going to grout it to clean it all up. And then I've got vanity going in. And then I'm going to trim all of this out for my painter as well. So the bathroom is really coming along. That's great. And then he's going to move downstairs. But that really has nothing to do with the remodel project that I've been working on for years. That's these two rooms here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them get their grout done. And I'm going to do some trim work in the bathroom when the grout is done, install the vanity, wrap this project up, and then I'll do a nice little walkthrough maybe of the entire home because carpet is coming in also in about a week or so. I'm pretty excited. It's definitely, it just feels good. I mean, this project has been a project of mine for so many years now that I never really took it to completion, but in order to sell it, I know I have to get it completed. And it's just nice seeing everything so clean, getting all the trims caulked and painted. And my painter is doing a great job with that. Things like this trim. I never put that trim in around the staircase. So now that's going to be there. That's going to be able to be carpeted up against and it's going to look finished. That landing right there has been an unfinished plywood landing since I moved in here in 2006. All right, I just want to give you guys a quick update, kind of what's going on, where we're at, before I come back here when the grout's done and start trimming the bathroom, which is what we're going to probably turn this and roll this right into right now. So let's just get into it. All right, Greg and I just brought the vanity up. It just came in, and it's kind of nice because it comes all pre-assembled. So the counter's already on there, the undermount sink, and then the back, they got cutouts. So I don't have to worry about cutting for the vent pipe. I just got to cut for my water and drill a couple holes, which should be easy enough. Then we should be able to set this in there. So about dang time. Feels like forever. I don't know. That's not too much white, is it? It looks pretty good, don't it?
I mean, it'll be fine. Yeah, I think it goes well with the tile. Then once you get your gray paint on it,
yeah, it's gonna be nice.
It'll be fine.
All right, so for drilling these holes, I want to make sure that my vanity's off this back corner enough so that like a wastebasket could go over there. I didn't want it to go tight into the corner. So if I go to tight to the corner, let's say 33 3/4 minus 9, so that's 24 3/4. And then 37 3/8, so 28 3/8. And 28 3/8. So that's the location of the holes, and we need to be 2 3/4. Yeah, 2 3/4 off of the back wall. 2 1/8. Okay. Now the important thing is that I am this distance apart with my holes, which is 3 5/8. So that's really all that matters. I don't have to be perfect in this exact spot. So that's kind of nice. What do I need to be? 3 5/8. So there's that, and that. Where's my drill bit box? We're gonna use some nice Forstner bits. They do nice clean holes, and we need to go through this copper. So 1/2 inch copper. I think we're just gonna do a 3/4 inch hole. Let's see where we at. I guess it's the one that's been used the most. Yep, 3/4. Good thing we got a light on this drill. I'm not pushing hard, I'm just letting the drill do the work. Dang, that's pretty thick. See how clean of a hole that is? Really does a good job, these Forstner bits. I knew what I was working with, I just went a little faster. All right, we'll vacuum that out later. Now, we're gonna, luckily this will be, we don't have to worry about this, it's inside this hole. So, I did keep that off though, that way I can get it out of my way. Hey, Greg, you wanna help me lift this up? And let's put it in the hole. It is pretty heavy. I think I'm gonna lift from the bottom and from the front. You can't have your hand in the back. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yep. I don't know if I'll get a little room here, but you're gonna be just go your way.
I can't go anymore, bro.
It's right there. You gotta lean it back though. Tight to the wall. Okay, hold on. Take it out. Yeah, we didn't think that one through.
Maybe I can get down here like this and just lift it up, and then you.
Because we don't have to go far. Okay, my side is taller, so we gotta get mine in first. The problem is we lose visibility, and I can't see where I'm at as soon as I get tight to the wall.
Hopefully, I'll be out of the way. Majority, be able to lift it up.
Oh, I can look through these holes.
Too bad you didn't have a GoPro. We could like put a GoPro on it and then look down and like, connect to your phone.
You mean like that? So this way I can see. Let's find the right camera. You know, we've only got 3 of them on the back of the phone. I don't think I want that one right there. So now I can see exactly when these line up from up here without having this opened. It's a good idea. Your idea was like a spark that ignited my idea.
Yeah.
It's great.
All
Okay, all right, let's do it again.
Straight back.
2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I see one. Oh wait, we're there my way a little bit. Okay.
You gotta be catching that one.
I see him. Okay. Oh, your way a little. Okay, right there.
That was a
Fun? I'm assuming I can. Why did we take this weight out the first time?
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, that was a little challenging, only because I didn't make any monster holes down here underneath. But it turned out pretty good. We got the drain right there, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it leveled up because old farmhouse, not even close. It don't matter. They don't need to be extended. Let's see what we are this way.
Yeah.
Now, that's not going to be bad when it gets screwed up. Yeah, that's not bad, dude. So it needs to get tightened up to the wall, and then we'll have to adjust it side to side. Go ahead and just lift it up slightly. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and set it down. This is kind of a tight area, so I think I can.
Are you able to get it?
Well, my question is, okay.
More.
Okay,
that looks pretty good.
I'm saying that's pretty good. So what does that do to this? I'd say that's pretty good, man. I mean, by the time you take that down.
Get this side down a little bit.
Yep, let's do that. Okay, down a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
I like that.
You see that's pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I would say that is pretty good. Okay, I'll go ahead and time screw it in, and then that's the easy job.
Got it.
Easy. Okay, vanity installed. So now this room, I got base trim, the window behind me, I've got trimmed right here, ready to go in. and then the painter will have at it, and I gotta set a toilet and hook up fixtures, I guess. But this was a hard thing to do, and I'm glad Greg was here to help me because I don't think I would have gotten this all up myself. But went good. All right, let's keep this thing going. All right, with the floor done, the vanity in, I'm gonna go ahead and put some trim in. So I just went around and made a bunch of cuts. Hopefully, I hope this audio is not too bad for you guys, but also, I just hope all my cuts were good because I don't want to have to go back down and recut them. So what I like to do is kind of start in the back and then have all of my copes, because I don't know if you probably won't be able to see it, but I did, here, let me flip this around. I did cope the ends, so I don't know if that's gonna focus or not, but hopefully all my copes are good. So I try to start my copes away. That way when I push them in, they are basically hidden. So when you're walking in the room, you're gonna look this way. You won't necessarily be able to see this anyway because of the toilet, but it's just common practice for me. I like to do it this way. Well, this is gonna be a tough one. It's because of the toilet. Hopefully it's not too tight. Sweet. I like it when it is easy like that. Now because this one's a little bit loose, like it could be tighter, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave this off and I'm gonna start at this end and I'm gonna push it in so it hopefully gets nice and tight. Yeah, nice and snug. Now let's get in and out of this cove here. This guy's gonna go here. That. Let's see, we got a inside cope. Hopefully this is tight. Maybe just a little bit long. Go ahead and nail this first. I can check this, see what I got going on. Looks to me like I'm just a little bit long. All right, let's try this again. That there. Probably make that work. And then we should be able to get that in. Let's see over here. That's ready to be touched up and caulked. It'll look great. All right, so bathroom, drywall sanded, vanity installed, base trim, window trim, and the door trim here behind me. Everything is done, ready to go. Now the painter can do his thing, get it painted. Then I'll come in, I'll set the toilet, I'll set the backsplash on the vanity, I'll set all the electrical, probably redo some lights, and yeah, man, we are really close. It feels great to have this have this just about wrapped up. So like I was saying though, from the beginning, the goal of this video or these videos was just to catch you up, just to let you know what's going on. This house is going to be for sale. So, you know, maybe you're local to me, maybe you're looking to move out in the country, maybe you're needing a nice 5-acre farm with nice shops and buildings and a big old nice house. So I don't really know what else to say. You know, this project has been a long time coming, and so many of you have asked what the heck is going on. When is the farmhouse remodel going to be completed? And I am this close. I've got a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this project, you know, from way back starting in 2004, 2005. Yeah, 2004 was when I first purchased this property and started gutting it for the first time. And, you know, obviously I'm going to miss my shop. I can always build a new shop. That's the plan. And you know what? Sometimes it's good to challenge yourself, do something new. And I think that this is going to be good for me and my family. And I think whoever buys this property is going to have a great property. So obviously, if you're interested, this will be listed probably, I'm hoping, pretty darn soon. And here we have the bathroom, all done. Solid surface, new vanity, new toilet, obviously new tile. Everything is new, lights new, tub showers new. Turned out really good. Here is the bedroom. Just got a mattress sitting in here now. Looks really good. And just for a quick tour of the upstairs, first off, there's going down. We did redo these stairs, so those are looking pretty good. You can probably hear Lindsay vacuuming in the background. These bedrooms are all done. Put in some new lighting. Another bedroom. Laundry room. No, I'm not saying everything is perfect, but it sure is looking pretty good. That finishes the remodel. So, I mean, we're just doing our final cleaning, getting things out of here. And yeah, it's gonna be a bittersweet ending. I mean, starting this thing like 4 years ago, finally getting it done. And I think it turned out great. I think that somebody is going to love this place. Not just the house, the property, the building. You guys maybe saw that I did start the process of building my new shop. RR Headquarters 2.0, and I'm excited for that. I know it's going to be a lot of work. I know it's not going to be done tomorrow versus I've already got this done and usable right now. So it's like a lot of people in the you know, the comment section saying, why the heck would you do that? Why would you get rid of it all? And honestly, it's for my own personal growth. It's for my family, and you know, what the heck? I'm going to make more content for you guys. So I guess it's a win-win for everybody, including the person that's buying this place. So I'll do a quick walk around if you guys want to see what this is about. But if you're actually interested, which I do realize that will be a very, very, very small percentage of anybody that watches this video, I'm sure this listing will be up very shortly. But as always, yeah, you know, super happy that you guys stuck it out through this whole this whole remodel. I know it took 4 years, but finally got it done. And yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you come follow along with the new RR shop build.